Nature. Breathe in, breathe out, and you'll find some of what I'm talking about. By walking in nature and hearing the birds, making some wonderful sounds, giving praise and honor to the Creator. This wonderful breeze that makes you feel refreshed and chilled. This indeed is from our Creator, our God, our King. When you pass and you see the trees and grass swaying from side to side, oh, that's a blast. Even when the flowers open and it closes, all those beautiful and wonderful lilies and roses, it tells us of the wonderful God who created it. He cares about us so much that He gave us beautiful things that we should love and cherish exceedingly. The designing of the birds, the deportment and uniqueness, all the trees and flowers' life cycles and sweetness, the sea's beautiful splashes and limitless, the animals and their boldness, proves to us that there is a God who is the King, oh yes, who has made us to enjoy it with peace and happiness.